Now let's understand the construction of open-end series, including the series when mid-values are given. Hello everyone, welcome to our Eco Studies channel. I am Poonam Vora, your instructor from Egypt, bringing 28 years of dedicated CBSE teaching experience. We are introducing series for our subjects to give you an insight of our offered courses on our website that will help you prepare for CBSE and CUET examinations. But before we jump into the concepts, if you haven't already, please hit the subscribe button and ring the notification bell so that you never miss out on any of my free valuable videos. And if you like the content, then don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and share with your friends. Follow us on Instagram and Facebook. Now let's get started. Hello everyone. Now let us understand how a continuous series is constructed when class intervals given are open-ended and when only mid-values are given. So let's begin. Now let us understand how a continuous series is constructed when only mid-values are given and when the series is open-ended. This is the example of mid-values where only mid-value of each class interval is given and we need to find out the class limits. In open-ended class intervals, the lower limit of the first class and upper limit of the last class interval are not known to us. So let us see how can we find it. Now let us see how mid-values when given are converted into class intervals. In this case, marks are given in the midpoint as 5, 15, 25, 35 and 45 and number of students is given as frequencies. And how can we do that? Let's see. Now here midpoint of first class is 5 and that of second marks it is 15. The difference between the two midpoints is 10. Now you need to half the difference in the midpoints of second class and first class marks. It would be 10 divided by 2, which is 5. So lower limit will be 5 minus 5, 0, and upper limit of the class would be 5 plus 5, that is 10. So the first class interval would be 0 to 10. Similarly, in the next case, the difference would be 25 minus 15, 10, and then half the difference in the midpoints of the third and the second class. Then it would be further, it would be 15 minus 5, 10, and 15 plus 5, 20. So the next class interval would be 10 to 20. And in the same way, one can find out for the rest. I hope you have understood how a continuous series is constructed when only mid-values are given and when the class intervals given are open-ended. So with this, the discussion gets complete. Next time we shall come up with a new video. Till then, keep reading and keep learning. Thank you. To learn more, visit our website and enroll in our courses to master economics and get a higher score in CBSE and CUET examination. With our current introductory offer, you can enroll in each of the courses for just Rs 999. So, seize the opportunity and join before the introductory offer expires. Like, share and subscribe to Eco Studies channel. Also drop a comment. See you in the next session for another concept. Thank you.